Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to invite and onboard new hires in Gusto. So are you looking to hire someone? Gusto makes onboarding smooth, fast, and paper-free. You can send offer letters, collect tax forms, and get your new team member ready for day one, all without printing a single document. So let's walk through how it's done. Step 1, go to the People section. So from your Gusto dashboard, click on People in the left-hand menu, and this is where you can manage your team, past, present, and incoming. Now just click on Add an Employee to start the onboarding process. Step 2, enter new employee details. Now you'll need to fill in some basic information for your new hire, such as full name, email address, job title, start date, compensation, and department. Be sure that everything is accurate, because this info will be fed directly into payroll and employee records. Step 3 is to set compensation and work information. So next, Gusto is going to ask you for pay rates, work location, exempt or non-exempt status, as a pay schedule. So you'll also choose whether this employee is full-time, part-time, or seasonal. Step 4 is to invite the employee. So once you review everything, click send invites, and your new hire will get an email from Gusto with a link to complete their onboarding. Now they'll fill out the personal details, direct deposit information, W4 or W9 for contractors, I9 verification, as well as any required documents like a signed offer letter or an NDA. Now all of it is securely stored in their Gusto profile. Step 5 is to track their progress. Now back in your dashboard, you can see what your employee has completed and what's still pending, and Gusto is going to send them reminders automatically, so you don't have to chase anyone down. You can also upload any company handbooks, policies, or custom documents that you want new hires to review during the onboarding process. And yeah, that's a wrap. With just a few clicks, you have onboarded a new team member and saved yourself hours of paperwork. And in the next video, we'll show you how to pay contractors through Gusto just as easily. So stay tuned and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.